Packed in here. So I'm in Jollibee now, waiting for my food. I already ordered, so I'm waiting for them to signal me to come get my food. 20-minute wait time. So I ordered mad shit, but I hope this food is good. That's all I can say. I hope it's good. I'm saying like we got a lot of stuff, so I really hope it's good. I ordered a good amount of stuff. But it's me and my best friend, so we're gonna try this food. It's a wait. It's a wait, child. The wait is long. How much minutes before I get our food? Like about 10 minutes to get our food, and I'll come back. Everything here. You like it? What is this? French fries. We want to open up everything. That rice smells good. Like adobo rice, spaghetti, and then we got the gravy here. All right. So we're gonna try the French fries. Kind of cold, but oh no, they're warm. Ew. The fries are like, okay. No, I like the lemonade. You like it? I want to try the rice because everything is warm, so I want to try before it get cold. This is adobo rice. This reminds me of yeah. This reminds me of. It's good. It reminds me of Popeye's Cajun rice, but I feel like Popeye's Cajun rice is better. I love Popeye's Cajun rice. I'm not barely eat Popeyes, but when I do, it's a Cajun rice and 2 pieces of chicken. That's it. No biscuit, no fries, nothing. All right, now it's spaghetti time. I like the lemonade, the pineapple juice. I like it. Okay, so now we're gonna try the spaghetti because I heard this is good. So we're gonna stir up first. Ooh, the it's still warm, so that's good. I like this. I like the spaghetti. Try it. I don't know what sauce that is, but and what kind of meat is in there. If there's a meat, but yeah. What's that? Sausage? No. I like the spaghetti. I get a big good thing like this. Yeah, this spaghetti, right? Yo, I didn't know there was sausage in there. Let me try it again with the sausage. I didn't see the sausage. It's not. Okay, so the spaghetti is 10 out of 10 for me. Yeah, get it, eat fries. You can eat the fries. I don't want the fries. Oh my god.
So far, the spaghetti is good.
The spaghetti is 10 out of 10. The rice, I give like a 7. The fries, I give like a 4. I don't like
The
that.
rice, I give it a 4.
Not a 4.
What's it all out?
No. So we're gonna eat the gravy with the chicken. So this chicken is, look at this. It's so hot, so fresh. The moment we all been waiting for, right? It's so hot. So I'm gonna try it I'm gonna take a bite without the gravy first. Cause I see people dipping it in the gravy. But I'm gonna try it without the gravy first because I wanna hear that crunch. So cheers. This is so fresh. Mmm.
Is the adobo?
Bruh.
I think the adobo.
Yo.
I think the adobo.
Mmm. Yo. Yeah. I mean, we eat the skin. You know I don't eat the skin. Yo. Alright. Nah, this is good. You heard that crunch? You heard that crunch? This is mad good. Yo, we're gonna dip it in the gravy now. Dip it in the gravy. Still hot.
I'm not a gravy fan. I'm a little bit.
Okay. Mmm. Wow. Here's with the gravy. Nah, I like this. I was wondering, you dipped it in there. Dip it again. That should taste good with the gravy. See. Dip it. I feel like that's what you. She's like, nah, this tastes so good with the gravy. I'm sitting on TikTok. I'm wondering, like, why they dip it in the gravy? But it should taste so good with the gravy. Mmm.
You like it with it?
You want to hear?
Maybe because I'm not like
A gravy
I'm
person?
not a gravy person.
Yeah, but I'm not used to eating my chicken with gravy either. But it tastes good with it. Is Mike on?
I pass on the gravy.
Wait, hold on. Huh? You pass on the gravy? You don't like the gravy? You don't like the gravy? Nah, I like the gravy. This chicken is 10 out of 10, y'all.
Okay.
This is good, y'all. That shit. This is how you eat chicken.
No, I'm not done yet.
Now, the chicken, I give a 10 out of 10. The gravy, I love the gravy with the chicken. And the spaghetti, I give a 10 out of 10. Everything else is like
Spaghetti keep
chick-
11 out of 10.
11. Yeah, you, love,
Pasta?
you see? She want to try it. She's like, oh, she hope it tastes good. Look at you. You give the spaghetti a 11. 11 out of 10. We got a 6 piece. I don't think we said that. This is all thighs. Girl, too much to fill me up. This is all thighs. Damn, my breasts. Y'all, look at this chicken. I'm gonna zoom in on you. I'm gonna zoom in on your ass. You don't see what you just did. I'm enjoying this dipping of the chicken. Like, oh my god. Mm. Woo. Woo. This shit is hot. Yeah, this shit is hot. Chicken is. That's mine. That's all I just stuck. Now, finger looking good, child. This ain't KFC, but it's finger looking good, y'all.